This is my favorite salad. Can you even see it?
So, do you have a clock on your screen?
No.
Okay. So we are in the East Village, and we're going to go to our first spot of the day. We're going to Post. We're going to go to Post. So, we're gonna.
So just stand up here.
Okay.
I'll make a good joke. Cheese.
Cheese.
I love you. Happy holidays.
You too.
Thank you.
I woke up like this morning.
Oh my god.
Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting to the right.
So I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and get some work done. I feel like it's necessary. I've been kind of cooped up in my apartment for too long because I'm still kind of getting over the sickness that I had, the flu. I don't even know what it was. And I feel a lot better now, like just like mentally, physically, but I'm still getting like a cough. So let's go get some coffee. And I have to bring my charger because my laptop dies so fast. That's just me reminding myself. Time for lunch. I'm gonna make a salad. I think I'm gonna film it for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Someone in this room deleted the TikTok app off of their phone, probably prematurely. So now it's not available in the App Store. So because of that, I have to focus my energy on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, which is fine, honestly. The less the better. Obviously that's not talking about the whole censorship piece of it, but I don't want to talk about that. Anyway, we're gonna make a salad. Cue the cooking montage. This is my favorite salad. This is my favorite salad. These are the Trader Joe's falafel. Haven't tried them yet. They're pretty good. I recently got my sister onto arugula, so you should definitely make me more of it too. I recently got my sister onto arugula, so you should definitely be getting onto it too. I recently got my sister onto arugula, so you should definitely be getting more too. I hate doing that. Arugula, crispy tofu, chickpeas, tomatoes, mini cucumbers, sweet potato, falafel, and a vegan Caesar dressing. So I'm making dinner right now and I'm about to make hummus, and I feel like I should just show you guys actually how I make hummus. I don't have any chickpeas, but I'm going to be using just white beans, some garlic, salt, lemon, oil. And if you are doing chickpeas, then you can save some of the water that comes in the can. It's called aquafaba. Save a little bit of that and you can add that in as well to make the hummus a good consistency. So this isn't obviously exactly hummus because it's not made with chickpeas, but still really good, really easy to make. That actually took me 3 minutes to make. So tonight I'm making a little falafel taco situation. Not that interesting, not worth putting in the video, but I just wanted to include this.